Hey everybody, I want to show you what is going on with our customer specials right now. You are going to love them. Hi, this is Patty Lynch, your Princess House Independent Consultant. You know about the new specials that just started today. And the best one ever is they continued the buy one item, get the next for half off out of both of our catalogs. So out of both of our catalogs, you buy one item or set, get the same of equal or lesser value for half off. Isn't that amazing? Yes, they continued it. I'm so excited for you. What is on your wish list that you did not get? Now you can get it. Yes, you can. So that is one of the specials. You can just go shopping right through the catalog and get the items that you wanted, that you were debating on. You still have time to do it. So I'm going to showcase some of the other items that they put on special. Okay, so here we go. So this beautiful set, this is our limoncello set. You are going to get 4 of the luncheon plates, 4 of the mugs, 4 of the beautiful bowls, the dinner plates. Okay, aren't they gorgeous? Look at those dinner plates. I love the embossing on the dinner plates. You're going to get that whole set, including this beautiful table runner and 4 of the sunshine napkins. This retails for $412. You're going to save $113.70. You're going to get that whole set for $299. But wait, you get a couple more items and add to your list, maybe get some flatware, and it counts as a party, and wait till you find out about all the host rewards you'll earn. So that is one set that they just added on right now for our specials. And check this out. Oh, can I pull it out? They also added, look at this. This is our 16-quart deep casserole. Look at this. This is huge. That's on special, saving you $195 as well. All right, so that's one of our specials that we have going on right now. Won't your table look stunning with our beautiful limoncello set? I just love it. Check out the little bee right there. This one here, this one is our 4.5-quart straining casserole. I love it because it has the straining part on both sides, and it has it on the lid, as you can see. It's 4.5 quarts. It is our tripod collection. You are saving $45. It's $129. Okay. Another item is our Vita Sana. You know I love our Vita Sana collection. This is the 8-quart deep casserole. You're saving $70. It's $229, and that's a customer special going on right now. This one here is a beautiful, I'm so happy they brought this back. This is our 6-quart deep casserole. Look how deep this is, guys. It is deep. Okay, perfect for your lasagna, your enchiladas, big batches of like really thick brownies or cakes. This is not in the catalog. It's on special for $59. It's regularly $100, guys. That's a special right now. I love this piece. You want to grab that one now. Our high power blender is one of our most popular items. It retails for over $600. It's on special for $459. It has 3 programmable buttons: the smoothie, the dips and spreads, and the hot soups, the pulse, the automatic programming. It has 6 powerful blades in there. You will be able to go to town with that, okay? This is another one that we use all the time in our house. This is our 3-in-1 veggie chopper. It comes with this particular piece that you can do your mushrooms and your strawberries. This one is good for your potatoes. This one's good for your onions. It has this tool here that can clean up all the nooks and crannies. It is dishwasher safe. It also has the measurements on the side. So this is a 3-in-1 veggie on special for $69, regularly $100. Another great customer special. So this is our stirring spoon. This is our gray one, but the one that's a customer special is actually in this blue color, brand spanking new, but it's going to be blue. Not in the catalog. It's brand new for $19. This is what it looks like. I don't even have it yet. And it's in our brand new navy blue collection, this color here. I'm excited about that. Do you guys like blue? I do. All right, so then look at this. They brought out our 13-inch electric grill press. Check it out. So now you can be cooking anywhere as long as you have a electric plug. You're going to be saving $160. It's on special for $199. $199, guys. All right. So just to check out my table, you'll be able to see all the specials. We have one more special right here. This is our 10-inch skillet, our Cook Solution skillet. As you can see, it has the rings in the bottom, the helping handle on the side, as well as the little handle. You're saving $61.95. It's on special for $99. But if you decided you want the 10-inch skillet, why not go and get our entire collection by giving Princess House a try? This whole collection here, you can get, yes, all these pieces for a down payment of $75. Down payment of $75. It retails for over $600 just by giving Princess House a try. So let me know. Let me flip this back. Give Princess House a try. You can get that 10-inch skillet, the 2.5-quart Vitasana, the 4-in-1 immersion blender, the pH pantry, the Santuco knife, the Vitasana produce keeper, as well as the healthy portion spatula, all by giving Princess House a try. So thank you so much. Remember that I believe in you and you should believe in yourself. And let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye. Thank you.